This is the LG G8X ThinQ with a dedicated dual screen attached, and it's LG's second confusing take on foldable devices, so let's go hands on. Thanks for watching 9to5 Google on YouTube. Be sure to thumbs up, hit subscribe and then enable notifications with the bell icon so that you don't miss any of our upcoming videos. Firstly, let's talk specs so you get an idea of just what the G8X has inside. We have a Snapdragon 855, 6GB of RAM and a 4000 mAh battery alongside 128GB of onboard storage. So far, so good. Now for more of the good stuff, with that special attachment, you get dual Full HD Plus AMOLED displays which are very nice, clear, crisp, but they do take a step down from the LG G8's Quad HD display. Of course, this follows the LG V50 ThinQ, but unlike the optional attachment on the V50, the G8X is designed to come with the extra display, and this confuses the product completely. Let's get some more good bits out of the way though, as the displays are great, and the ability to run two full screen apps side by side is pretty awesome too. You can switch them between the displays quickly and easily too, thanks to the on-screen dialog box. I must admit, I also do like the default Whale browser, as it's been tweaked to open new tabs on the secondary display when you click a link, which for those of us that love tab browsing will enjoy immensely. Having a secondary display is no doubt great for productivity, but this is really being sold as a gaming accessory, and this is where I think we run into problems. I have to say that the gaming software is just outright terrible, or at least the testing version we tried seemed to be. The on-screen buttons are unresponsive and the layout is just hard to get used to. I can't imagine gaming will be fun unless the software gets updated and enhanced before release. The problems don't end there though, as oddly LG has removed the Z camera controls that were included in the G8. Instead of that Z cam you get a solitary teardrop notch, but for symmetry purposes they've added a useless notch to that secondary screen. In my opinion, LG really doesn't help itself by trying to innovate, then simply removing features on a whim. I must admit that on paper the LG G8X might be a solid phone in isolation, but when you market it as a dual screen gaming focused device that appears to have so many issues already, it really makes you wonder who is making the important decisions at LG. Another major problem is that we also don't yet know pricing or availability, which makes it really hard to see how this is going to be a successful device at this early stage. Of course, future software updates and a few more tweaks here and there can make this a very good device, and although this was a very brief hands-on, we'd love to know your thoughts. Are you all in on LG's dual screen vision? Let us know in the comment section below. So with all that said, this is Damien with 9to5 Google saying thanks for watching, but until next time, I will speak to you later.